Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about a unique repertory that is Unabridged Dictionary of Sensation as If by Dr. James William Watt. Unabridged Dictionary of Sensation as If by Dr. James William Watt. Unabridged Unabridged means especially of something written, a speech, novel, play, published, performed, etc., without being shortened in any way. This repertory was published in late 1930s. The attempt was to make a quick reference and to choose the simillimum in the easier and fast possible way. He also mentioned that Dr. Ward has associated with Dr. T. F. Allen, Sant Clair Smith and Martin Descher in his college day. This book consists in two parts, two volumes. First volume consists of pathogenetic symptoms and second volume consists in Part 1 is clinical rubrics and part 3 bibliography. This book is divided into two volumes or available in two volumes, volume 1 and volume 2. Volume 1 contains pathogenetic symptoms and volume 2 consists clinical symptoms and bibliography. Plan and construction. He says that these morbid symptoms are described as sensations felt either in the process of proving of remedies or of clinical experiences with them and are gradually expressed by the phrase as if or as through. This collection consists of symptoms of proving collect from Hahnemann and authoritative writings and lectures of esteemed authors. The method chosen for accomplishment was to systematically caption and cross-caption the sensation described symptoms so that each of them falls naturally into its own alphabetical place in an orderly arrangement, making it as readily found as a word in an encyclopedia. Cross references to the sensation descriptions are cross references to the sensations description are numerous throughout both the divisions of the work. In a number of instances in the clinical section, a symptoms will be found under as many 5 different captions. Caption cross example we see here, caption cross caption. Abdomen cold, cutting in the abdomen as if from taking cold medicine yellows. Cold abdomen, colic as if the taking cold in the abdomen carbovages. So first rubric is cold abdomen, abdomen cold, and cross caption is cold abdomen. This is the difference in the arrangement. In abdomen cold, cutting in the abdomen as if from taking cold, and cold abdomen, colic as if after taking cold in the abdomen carbovages. So abdomen cold and cold abdomen. This is the difference between arrangement. So he used caption and cross caption. We see next rubric, abdomen bruised, pain in the abdominal wall as if bruised when gasping. Medicine pulsatilla. Bruised abdomen in cross caption, bruised abdomen, twisting, digging pain in the upper abdomen as if from a bruise. Medicine Sina. So medicine change according to the explanation or symptoms given by the patient. Generally, bruised abdomen and abdomen bruise is similar, but in this repertory, in caption and cross caption, two terms used. Next rubric, abdomen cutting. Cutting and pinching in the abdomen as from flatulence or cold. Medicine anacardium. Cutting abdomen. Cutting in the abdomen as if after a cold arnica. So this is the peculiarity of this repertory, sensation as if by Dr. Ward. Each symptom is so described that no matter under how many alphabetical heads it may appear, the indicated remedy and key to the authority for it is always given by an initial letter or letters in parenthesis immediately following the remedy and printed in italics. For example, abscess chest, deep-seated pain as if from an abscess in the right side of the chest. Medicine Chelidonium. Abscess chin, inflammatory swelling beneath the chin as if an abscess would form with burning pain. Medicine Causticum. Abscess ear, a stitch in the inner ear and a sensation of warmth in it with a sensation as through an abscess would open. Medicine Bryannia. The topographical arrangement under anatomical headings has not been extensively followed, rather a most individually descriptive word of the sensation. Symptoms has been chosen for the caption in each case. Where several captions are identical, the remedy for each has been placed in alphabetical order. Burst abdomen, burst abdomen. Weight in the abdomen as of a load with anxiety as if the abdomen would burst. Medicine ammonium muriaticum. Burst abdomen. Pressure in the region of the navel as if something hard and formed there with a sensation when breathing, speaking, and especially when coughing as if the abdomen would burst. Medicine anacardium. Burst abdomen, feeling as if abdomen would burst before a stool. Arsenic album. So we see three rubric: burst abdomen, burst abdomen, burst abdomen, but further sensation is changed. So medicine change. One has ammonium muriaticum, next has anacardium, and then arsenic and britacar and castoreum. So these are the different medicine which is found in Materia Medica of different authority. Next, nail grey, dirty as if decayed when cut, a scattering like powder and a splitting into layer, will be found under the caption decayed nail. Nail dirty, grey powdered nail, a splitting nail, a scattered nail. Source and materials. So part first, pathogenetic. The pathogenetic or first division of the work comprises summary and through research of the original proving as found in T.F. Allen's Encyclopedia of Pure Materia Medica, T.L. Bradford's collection Index of the Proving up to and including the year 1879 were included. The symptoms mentioned with sensation as if in Hahnemann's Materia Medica and Chronic Diseases, J. H. Clark's Dictionary of Materia Medica, whatever not found in Allen's Encyclopedia were taken from as it contains genuine proving of many drugs, collected the symptoms, description of proving widely distributed throughout the journals, transactions, proceedings of the International Hahnemannian Association, extensive English literature of the homeopathic school. Part 2, clinical. The clinical or the second division of the work is a record of diversified verifications developed through clinical experiences and observations of many distinguished contributions to the symptomatology of our materia medica. We see here unabridged dictionary of the sensation as if and guiding symptoms of our materia medica by Constantine Herring. Abdomen ball, feeling as of a ball rolling about in the bladder or abdomen when turning over, medicine lachesis. In guiding symptoms of materia medica, feeling as of a ball rolling about in bladder or abdomen when turning over, medicine lachesis. Band waist, sensation of a band around the waist, nux vomica, and sensation of a band about waist, nux vomica. The word vice or wise is used interchangeably if remedies are not found in the earlier volumes of Allen's Cyclopedia. The supplement contained in the 10th volume should be consulted. In the provings of curare, the word appendix has been retained for identification as originally used by T.F. Allen. Next is difference between unabridged dictionary of the sensation as if and the Encyclopedia of Pure Materia Medica by T.F. Allen. Abdomen cough, deep, wheezing cough as if coming from the bowels, curare appendix. And in Encyclopedia of Pure Materia Medica, deep wheezing cough as if coming from the bowels. So this is the difference between these two source of materia medica. Third part is bibliography. In this part, authors of the sources were mentioned in alphabetical order, like A. LNTF, JHC, Clark JH, CPTH, Copperworth AC, D. Dewey, DN, Dunham, DG, Dudgeon RE, FG, Farrington EA and Harvey, H. Honeyman, KN, Kent JT, SI, Sinha in. So this short alphabet used in previously we see different source of medicine. We see in this slide abdomen, nettle rash, burning of the abdomen as if from nettle rash, curare medicine, and in under bracket capital A. So this is the indication of these symptoms or rubric taken from the which book, or that is the book is the Allen's TF. A special feature, all the symptom descriptions are taken from original source of our materia medica. The author has cited the references of the work with years. Symptoms description have been given under many captions and placed for easy and quick references to know the value of the symptom where it is a proving or clinically verified. This is the beauty or feature, a special feature of this repertory. Criticism, it is very voluminous when compared to the one by H. A. Robert. Under all the symptoms, only one drug has been given. This work cannot be used for repertorization proper. Many rare remedies are mentioned which are not used nowadays, are not available now. So we try to summarize this repertory. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, you again ask me question.